In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Wix platform to embed HTML elements, customize your site, and save your changes. Let's get started with these straightforward steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix setup page. If you're already logged into your Wix account, go to manage.wix.com, and from there, select the project or website you're currently working on. This will bring you to your site's dashboard, which serves as your main hub for managing any site-related tasks, from tracking analytics to making design changes. Once you're on your site's dashboard, click over to the Wix editor. This can be accessed through the Edit Site button. Now you're in the environment where you can make changes to the look and functionality of your website. Among the many options available for you to design your site just the way you like, you'll want to focus on adding elements. Next, locate the Add Elements option. It usually appears as a small plus icon on the left side of your screen in the editor. This section is key because it's where you have access to all kinds of components, from text boxes to images and more interactive features like buttons and videos. After entering the Add Elements section, look for the option labeled Embed HTML. This tool is very useful for when you want to integrate external content or custom HTML code into your site. Clicking on this option will open a small window or dialog box where you can input the HTML code you need. Once you've accessed the HTML embedding option, select Website Address. Here's where you can incorporate content from another web page seamlessly. You'll need to paste the URL of the web page you're interested in sharing directly into the provided field. Make sure the URL is copied correctly to avoid any errors. With the URL pasted in, it's time to hit Apply. This action places the embedded content onto your web page. You should now see a placeholder indicating where this content will appear on your site. If it looks good to you, you'll want to finalize this by clicking on the small X at the upper right of the dialog box to exit out of it. Finally, only one last but crucial step remains: saving your work. Always remember to click on Save before exiting the Wix editor. This ensures all your changes are kept, preventing any loss of progress. It's a good habit to save frequently as you work to avoid having to redo any added elements or design changes. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com effectively to embed content into your website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!